Hope you guys doing well, and today I'm going to show you that how you can create a simple headers into your Bootstrap. So now I'm going to start with the nav, which have the class of navbar, and then navbar should be expand. Navbar should be dark and bg dark. We need to add a hyperlink with the brand name, index, and then class should be navbar toggle, and then we need to add here image which we have already in the directory with the class. Maybe we need to add some styles here with 20 pixels, and then you need to add here trendy logo. And now I'm gonna add some of buttons which can controlled in the responsive of our devices, and contain all of the navigation and expand for you. And now I'm gonna add some class here with the navbar toggler, and then type with the button, and data toggle should have the collapse, and the data target should be hashtag navbar 1, and era controls should have nav nav bar 1, which have here nav bar. And then we need to add some of our era expanded with false, because we don't need to expand this by default. And the era label should be toggle navigation. And now I'm gonna add simple icon within this button with the name of navbar toggler icon. So now we need to put it into the button, and then add a div tag with the class name collapse and navbar collapse, which have the ID of navbar 1, and unordered list for the navigation should have the class navbar nav. mr auto should display your navigation to the left, and now we need to add nav item. Actually we need to add li here. and then within the hyperlink by default we need to add the active link. And now I'm gonna add the class within a hyperlink nav link and add feed here. Now I'm gonna duplicate this and remove active class and add the name here, authors, and now I'm gonna add another navigation link with the name of explore, and now we need to add a blog page, and now we need to add contact page. Also we need to add second navigation which contain our user element data, like add the class and then nav bar nav, and ml auto should align right our second navigation which contain the data with the icons nav item, and then should maybe not active this time. And then I'm gonna add an icon here of font awesome which is FA search, and era hidden true. And now I'm gonna add some another link which contain the bell icon. Now I'm gonna add some class with the FA bell era hidden true, actually hidden. And now I'm gonna add a user link, maybe user profile with the icon and class FA user and era hidden true. So let me show you the results of this navigation that we have created. So this is our link, author, explore, blog, content, and our second navigation should have contained the icons here, here, and then here, these four icons. Let me add some colors in the navigation to just show you that how the color will work. I'm gonna grab this BG dark and then go to our custom.css and make a file with the name of nav, actually nav.sass, and define here a class and add some color. Actually, give me a second, let me find a color code. Color code is here. Actually we need to add a background color, so here we need to embed this file into our style.sass to effect the directly to our HTML. It will generate a CSS for us. So if you cannot see my previous video series with the Sass lectures, you can also go to the. So here we got our BG color, and the Bootstrap have the important. We need to also add the important here just to make sure that colored have applied successfully. Now we need to style our hyperlinks and then icons. So we need to simply use this class, maybe add another class with the nav left, and grab the nav item class and grab the nav link class into the navigation to define the navigation which exactly we need to show into the page. So we need to add nav item and nav link. I want to add the color FFF, which is white color, or maybe pass a variable with the white, and font size should be 14 pixels, maybe 12 pixels, and font family should be Arial. And let me show you the results. Now here we got our navigation links contain the font family Arial, and now I'm gonna add some text decoration, actually text transform uppercase. So our navigation now looks good. So now I'm gonna style my icons. We need to add the right nav class and grab the nav item and then style the hyperlink in the navigation. Right nav and then nav item and then anchor tag with the color of $sign white, and font size should be 14 pixels, and by default it contains the font awesome thing. So our index.html is not saved yet, that's why so now you are able to see the icons here, and now I'm gonna add some margins. Padding should be around 30 pixels, and here also we need to add padding should be around 30 pixels. So now we have the spaces is more than, we need to add some around 10 pixels padding and 10 pixels for bell icons. So we have added navigation successfully. Let me resolve the logo issue. Actually we need to add a brand class. Yeah, yeah. Now we have the logo here, and then navigation, and then another navigation. So that is how you can create your navigation in the Bootstrap. Let me show you the collapsing. Maybe not works because JS is not included. So that is how you can create your navigation in the Bootstrap. uh, if you want any other tutorial um, to make sure that navigation and you want to understand, you just simply send me an image, maybe PSD, or maybe you have any navigation and you want to understand that how the Bootstrap will work in it. You can also comment me and visit my website and request me to uh, provide you the lecture of that navigation. So you can also request me using my website, which is you can find the link in the description. So hope you guys enjoy my tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates. That's all for now. See you guys in my next video.